That's a bit naughty. Scratch the place. So she's just going flea treatment to all of them.
Oh, great.
So yeah, she's gonna be a bit stinky.
No worries.
Yeah.
Can you come home with us?
And then we have to do the obligatory waving goodbye in front of the camera.
Oh.
Yeah, to all of her fans. She has a lot of fans. Bernadette is
How
getting
many
ready to
people
say
watch
goodbye.
the webcam?
I don't know how many altogether. How many?
Oh!
Oh, okay. So you wanted both of them, right?
We actually really do. They're so cute.
Well, you know, you could always come back if you decided you wanted another one. Sheldon.
Oh, Sheldon. I love you too.
So Bernadette's getting ready to go home. She's going to have a big sister, right?
Yes.
You know? Yeah. Now, let's get you under the camera. Say goodbye, Bernadette, to all your fans out there. Bye. Thank you for watching me all this time. Bye. Bye-bye. Ooh, you smell. That's also strong, that flea stuff. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you all. Keep watching my brother. You know Sheldon's her brother, right?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Are you ready? Okay. Let's go. Is he still in it? Or no?
Came out.
Feel bad splitting them up.
That'll be okay.
What did you say? Always come back and get him. Oh, good girl. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to Bernie. And then there were two. Yes, the loudest purrs.
Yeah, we've
So
noticed.
cute.
I think I saw him climbing on your head. Say bye. She's leaving. Sorry, Sheldon. Your turn will come. You'll be okay. Your person will come. Don't worry. Person's coming soon, I think.
That's what Nino was telling us.
Yeah. You ready?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye, boys. Good luck. Oh, he's coming out. He's coming